Well, it's starting to get hot in the south, so you need a sunshade. Let's check out a custom fit sunshade by a company called Pigenius. They sent me this for my Toyota Sienna. Now, I've usually used a universal fit sunshade, which is fine, but they have gaps everywhere. So this one comes in a nice case, and Pigenius did send me this in exchange for the review. And I also have one for my Honda CRV. So let's see how they did on that custom fit. Get right down in there, and you use your sun visor. All right, so that's pretty good. So that's covering, and there's a big plastic piece here that's under the mirror, so that there's a little bit of gap there, but that's actually already got that tint on it as well. So that should do a pretty good job over the summer. I'm the type of person who doesn't like my steering wheel to be 200 degrees when I touch it in the middle of July in the south. Now let's see how we can fold this guy up and then where we can store it. Now it's actually a lot thicker than the ones, like I've typically just bought the cheap ones at Walmart. This is pretty thick. Slide it back in the case and then figure out where we're gonna put it. So that's pretty nice, does a good job of covering the window. Now I'll link to this in the description. As of this recording, these guys were about $40, but you can check for your car and they will make a custom size for you.